The National Corvette Museum. You know what? Go out to their website and go over to Win a Corvette, and eventually you get down to the Raffles. So let's look into this. Hey, hello, all you wonderful Corvette people out there. Hope you're having a fantastic day. You're watching Road Odyssey. I am Burke, and let's look at this National Corvette Museum C8 Corvette raffles that have been going on. One has already expired. That occurred December 1st, and there are 4 more. December 15th, 16th, January 19th, and April 29th, with the tickets ranging per ticket $350 down to $20, depending, I guess, on the type of C8 that's being raffled. So, pretty cool stuff. And if you like this kind of thing, please like and subscribe down below. I would appreciate that very much. Meanwhile, let's look into this raffle or set of raffles. Here we go. When you first go out to the National Corvette Museum homepage, it might pop up with Win a Corvette Z06 down at the bottom. But if you're just playing on the page, you go out towards the right-hand side, Win a Corvette, and you got a few menu options there. But I ended up just clicking on the main menu option and scrolling through and looking at what they had to offer. Just below the banner pictures, you'll see this information regarding the, I guess you'd say, the prerequisites and the rules for the raffle. Let's look into these. First off, you have the ability to purchase raffle tickets on your PC, mobile devices, and on site at the National Corvette Museum and National Corvette Museum's Motorsports Park. Rule number 1, you must be 18 years of age. So that's the third paragraph, but down at the very bottom of this section, participant must be 18 years old with a valid driver's license. So I would just say on the safe side, be 18 years old or older with a good driver's license. The second primary rule, you must have access to a printer at the time that you create the order. Alternatively, you can download the order form, type in your information, and then send it to the National Corvette Museum. If you're asking, why does the National Corvette Museum raffle off Corvettes? Well, they say right here in the beginning, the raffle fundraisers are a great way to provide funding for the day-to-day operation of the museum. If you win one of these great cars, you will enjoy the following benefits. You get a museum delivery, a VIP tour of the museum and the assembly plant, a 1-year individual membership to the museum, hands-on training and instruction by the National Corvette Museum delivery team. You get a decal and a wall plaque. So this is all very nice. Once you have completed the ticket request and paid, a raffle ticket stub will be completed with your contact information and placed in the raffle ticket drum. And here is the most recent listing of the upcoming raffles. You'll see, well, December 1st is already passed. So December 15th, you got a Red Mist Z06 $350 tickets. December 16th, a Torch Red Coupe $100 ticket. January 19th, BYO or $80,000. So, hey, that's pretty cool. $250 ticket. Then April 29th, Torch Red convertible, $20 tickets. These look pretty fun and very affordable. Now let's scroll through and look at the cars themselves. First on this list that's next to be raffled is the Red Mist Z06 convertible. So this is a 2LZ black interior, GT2 bucket seats, front lift, a lot of carbon flash, so that's very nice. So this appears to be a very nice car to get into. Second up is the Torch Red Coupe. Very nice car. Performance exhaust with aggressive exhaust sound. 20-spoke, gloss black, forged aluminum wheels, red calipers, 2LT, black Napa leather, GT2 bucket seats, front lift, carbon flash, and front and rear cameras. Very nice again. The third car, I think this is a really cool idea. And so it's a build your own Corvette Stingray or $80,000. I would be curious if you could apply the $80,000 value and add to it a little bit if you want to alter some of the parameters to this thing. But they're saying it can be a 1, 2, or 3 LT, virtually whatever color you want. It's not bad. It obviously excludes the Z06 and some other really expensive packages. But, this looks super fun. Final car, the Torch Red Corvette convertible. Very cool setup here. Performance exhaust, 20-spoke gloss black forged wheels, bright red paint calipers, 2LT jet black leather, GT2 bucket seats, a lot of carbon flash, front lift, and you've got the front and rear cameras. Again, cool car. That was the fun stuff. Now, here is the actual list. Let's see here, 29 items for the official rules. So please be sure to review all of this good stuff. There is also frequently asked questions, a very long list. And some of these may be good for you to kind of browse through. Now, remember I asked the question, if you win a build your own Corvette from the raffle, yes, it appears that you can upgrade or make changes. So there you go. There's one question answered. In case you tend to use Facebook a lot, you can go out to the National Corvette Museum on Facebook, and there you can find information about these raffles, and you can watch them as they occur right there in Facebook.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the National Corvette Museum.
Finish this out, you can visit raffle.corvettemuseum.org, and here we are watching one of their videos. They've put all the raffle tickets into the drum. They mix them up, give them to a visitor, typically, to choose a winner. And that is really all there is to it. They will call or make contact with the winner one way or another. And so that is it. Thank you, National Corvette Museum. Thank you, all of you great subscribers. And just thanks for watching. Hey, that's pretty cool stuff. Raffles at the National Corvette Museum don't really get a lot of media push. So that's why I thought, I would go ahead and publish this information for y'all. And I hope you enjoyed it very much. So I'm kind of curious, do you think that you might enter a raffle? If you enjoy this sort of information, please give a like and subscribe down below. I would appreciate that very much. So with that, National Corvette Museum raffles are something to relax, take it easy, and to come back and see what happens later. Hey, see y'all later. Have a great day. Bye.